I'm in beautiful Crater Lake National Park. Behind me is Crater Lake itself. There used to be a mountain above where Crater Lake currently is. It was a volcano for a long, long time, and then 7,700 years ago the volcano finally exploded. The reservoir of lava inside the mountain was released, leaving a hollow opening that the rest of the mountain actually crumbled into, forming the caldera that we see today. Over a long time, rainwater filled the caldera to form the lake that is here today.